clean the microwave, you will need a cloth, pure baking soda, and some white distilled vinegar. So I will remove these products out your way and take out that glass microwave turntable. Sprinkle a little baking soda on top of it and inside the microwave. Next, I will grab the white distilled vinegar and pour a little on top of that glass turntable and also on the cloth. Next, I will place the glass turntable on top of the microwave and start wiping the inside of the microwave, making sure I reach all the surfaces and crevices from the food particles left behind. I am rinsing out the cloth and I will start to wipe down the microwave door handle, removing more of the leftover food particles. So now I will go back over the same step with wiping out the inside of the microwave again, going back over each crevices, making sure to get all the dirt, grime, or leftover particles. Continuing on to clean and wipe down this microwave glass turntable. Yes, I know you may see quite a few age spots around the microwave, and that's only because this microwave is a few years old and has been taken out the basement for a presentation today. And the cleaning besides that came out really nice. It was a huge success. Be sure to like this video if you enjoy watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.